Don't skip this video. I'm going to show you how to vibe code without cursor. Basically, go on Google, type in VSCode, click on it, click download, download the specific one for your operating system. Got Apple, Linux, Windows. Alright, once you have it installed, uh, open up in some kind of Linux. Basically, I'm right now in YSL. I highly recommend like tunneling in or SSHing into a cloud instance. Oracle's got a pretty generous free tier. If you're a student, there's a lot of free stuff out there. GitHub has, I think, a free tier as well. I could be wrong on that one. So essentially, what why you want to tunnel in is basically so the computer never turns off and your project always stays running. And so what you do from here is go to extensions, type in kilo code. Takes a second. Boom, right there. The first one on the top. Install that. Install root code. This is the second best in my opinion. And then lastly, but not least, Klein install. So while those all three install, I'm going to explain what they are. So I think they're basically code editors. So like you tell it a prompt and then it switches between four like or five agent modes: architect, ask, debug, and orchestra. Orchestra is like a combination of all of them and it just decides which one to use. Code is just gonna directly edit files and code for you. Architect is gonna like build like the project structure for you. Ask is just ask it. Debug is gonna debug a problem with it. It's pretty neat. I like KiloCode a lot over Rue and Klein is because KiloCode is a superset of both of them. It has all the features that all the other ones have combined. So we're gonna stick with this one, even though it's more similar to RuCode in my opinion. But RuCode's literally a fork off of Klein, so they're all building off each other. So right now I'm in LM Studio. You go to Kilo, they give you $20 for free, and then you choose the model. They like to recommend Sonnet 4, but 2.5 Pro or any of the OpenAI models are nice. And then you save your changes, boom, and then you could ask it anything. You could tell it to do whatever you want. I like to start off in uh, a different one. For backend, I like using Perplexity because I think it gets the math right always. And then for front end, I like to use Claude or like Lovable or Gemini 2.5 Pro, or Firebase makes a good one off a good prompt. But let's like say, let's build a prompt to make a roofing website, the name of a business, yada yada yada. So you just like add all the details you want. I think I've already done this somewhere around here. Uh, so yeah. So like it will eventually just pump out. Like you could keep asking it, and you just give it a bunch of information, and then eventually it's gonna make the complete like instructions that you would want to copy over here, and then you just copy it into here, and then bang, and then it would like initially start building an orchestra, and then from there you just kind of figure out what's wrong and what you don't like about it and change and tweak it. Just using off of this method, I made this website like maybe within the hour. Just a simple website. My internet's pretty slow right now, I apologize. um but yeah, like it's a pretty nice website just for an hour of my time. And right now, something interesting is Kilo Code every Thursday. If I go into here, uh, gives you a free $100 credit on Thursdays if you like do whatever activity they have set out that day. I would make sure you check before like 10 a.m. Eastern time there, just to make sure you don't miss out on whatever they have, because they will just take it away before Thursday's over because they operate at London time. And now we could look in Rue. You can see how it looks pretty much the same. And then, yeah, Klein, same past conversations. But yeah, so you can just like see how it just keeps, it tells you what it does as it goes and all the files it's editing, and it's pretty nice.